Right, now let's go to check the answers. Right, what is the summary of this lesson? This lesson given about the expressions, no, mathematical expressions containing several types of mathematical operations. Right, when you simplify the containing several types of mathematical operations, as the first step you have to do what? Bracket. Inside the bracket part, if available the bracket, you have to simplify the bracket. Then if there are several mathematical operations that mean not the friendly types, you have to follow the BODMAS rule. Right, brackets තියෙනවා නම් මුලින්ම brackets simplify කරන්න, ඊට පස්සේ friendly types නැති operations තියෙනවා නම් BODMAS follow කරලා simplify කරන්න. Then if the question given same type of mathematical operations, that mean multiplication, addition, same type of mathematical operations, you have to simplify from left to right. Right, and another point you have to remember, if the question given friendly type of mathematical operations mean addition and subtraction, only addition and subtraction, or only multiplication and division, then also you have to simplify from left to right. Right, it is the summary නේද? ඔය ටික තමයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ඔළුවට ගන්න තියෙන්නේ නේද? හරි, ඔය ටික හරි නම් වැඩේ හරි. Right, now let's go to check the answers. You take the red color pen and check the answers. First I am going to discuss first 6 parts. 3.4 exercise, question number 1. Roman number 1, look at. Within bracket 12 plus 8, subtract 15. Brackets contain, no? So you have to simplify inside the bracket. Inside the bracket you can see addition. So these two numbers you have to add. Right, 12 plus 8, 20 minus 15. 20 minus 15 is 5. So the first part answer should be 5. Right, you can check your answer with the red color pen. Right, then let's go to the second part. Second part given 35 subtract within bracket given 14 plus 9. As the first step you have to simplify inside the bracket, no? According to the theory, you have to simplify inside the bracket. So these two numbers you have to add. 35 subtract, add these two numbers, 14 plus 9. 14 plus 9 is 23. Now only one mathematical operation containing 35 minus 23. 35 minus 23 is 12. So the second part answer should be 12. Right, then third part, look at. Third part, 7 bracket 12 minus 7. Also you can see the bracket here, no? So first you have to simplify inside the bracket. Also I told you early, between 7 and bracket containing mathematical operation we can't see it. What is the operation? Multiplication. So you can write like this, 7 multiply. Now simplify inside the bracket. 12 minus 7 is 5. 7 multiply 5, 35. So the third part answer is 35. Now let's go to Roman number 4. 108 add 3 bracket 27 subtract 13. First you have to simplify inside the bracket. 108 add 3, between 3 and bracket the mathematical operation should be multiplication. Right, if there are no mathematical operations given here, it should be multiplication. Then inside the bracket simplify, 27 minus 13. 27 minus 13 is 14. Now you can see there are two mathematical operations, additions and multiplication. Then we have to follow the BODMAS rule, no? Right, according to the BODMAS rule, Addition and multiplication. Addition means this one, multiplication here. So first you have to do the multiplication part. That means these two you have to multiply. 3 and 14 you have to multiply. So what is the answer? 3 multiply 14. 3 multiply 14 is equal to 42. Now another one step we have to do. 108 plus 42. At these two, 150. So the final answer should be 150. Right? It is the fourth one. Then Roman number 5, look at. 24 divide within bracket 17 minus 5. First we have to simplify inside the bracket. 24 divide. Inside the bracket simplify 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5 is 12. Now one operation you can see, mathematical operation, division part. 24 divide 12. 24 divide 12 is 2. So number 5, Roman number 5, answer is 2. Right, then let's go to the next part, Roman number 6. 3 bracket 5 plus 2 multiply 8. First we have to simplify the inside the bracket. 3 bracket. 3 bracket means 3 multiply bracket, no? Then inside the bracket simplify 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7, 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Multiply 8. Then there are two multiplications you can see, same type of mathematical operations. So you have to simplify from left to right. 7 multiply 3, 21. 21 multiply 8. Then 21 multiply 8 is 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. The answer is 168. 168. Right? They are the answers for the first 6 parts of 3.4 exercise, question number 1. How about your answers now? These 6 parts. Correct? All? That mean you can understand, no, this part well. Okay, then another 4 parts we have to discuss. Right, look at number 7. 31 at within bracket 16 divide 4. First you have to do the bracket, no, inside the bracket you have to simplify. 31 at 16 divide 4. 16 divide 4 is 4. 31 plus 4, 35. I use 2 colors, right? For what? To represent which part you have to do of these steps. You can use 1 color, okay? Hari ogollu nikan ara torang gahanawa wage neda, colors dahanne naha meවට hari. Right. Then let's go to number 8. 73 subtract within bracket 8 minus 9. 73 subtract inside bracket simplify. 8 multiply 7, 72. 73 minus 72, the answer is 1. Roman number 9, look at. Inside the bracket 19 multiply 10, outside the bracket plus 38. According to the theory of this lesson, you have to do inside the bracket, no? First you have to simplify inside the bracket. Inside the bracket, these two multiply. 19 multiply 10, 190 add 38. 190 at 38, what is the answer? 228. Also you revise grade 6 knowledge, okay? When you multiply a number by 10, the end of the number you can put 0, no? Then you can get the answer quickly. Right. Then Roman number 10, last part of the first question of 3.4 exercise. 475 subtract within bracket 30 divide 6. First we have to simplify inside the bracket. So 435 subtract 30 divide 6, 5. 475 minus 5, answer is 470. Right? How about your answers? All are correct. Right. Right. Hands up. Whose all answers are correct?